Here's a real life example of the marketing for bespoke catering. We know what their website looks like. So when you drive traffic here, it creates trust and credibility. But how do we create the marketing? Acquisition. They decided their primary platform was Facebook. And they know their landing page is good. That's what we saw earlier. And now for retention, they use retarget advertising. I'll show you those ads. I'll show you the design of these ads. They have to be professional. They have to create trust. The messaging has to be very clear. They were very clear about their revenue. I'm not going to put it out there because of confidentiality, and they created a system for referrals. These guys, they take advice and follow a system. I told them, or one of our advisors told them, you need to create a referral system, and here's the best way of doing it, and they did that. Not everybody does that. Here's a Facebook ad, looks so professional if you think about it. Here's another Facebook ad. Messaging is very clear, imagery is super clear, it looks professional, the same language on their website, same messaging on their website. So there's consistency of brand, consistency of language, consistency of visuals everywhere. Next is retention. We used a strategy called retarget ads for them. Look at the professional design of them. So if anybody sees these ads anywhere, they are going to work for them. Retarget ads are those ads, once you drive the traffic to your website. I'll give you an example. If you go to the Qantas website and you decide you got busy, you didn't buy, after that, you're on the web on news.com or Financial Review or on some industry rag. And when you're in there, you see the Qantas ad. These are the follow me ads you see. Okay. And these are the designs. So they have to be professionally designed. Here's the bespoke ad on the Fin Review. So if their customer sees it, there's brand recall, brand awareness, brand recall. If you think of Panadol, right? Panadol had taught us, if you have a headache, think of a Panadol, okay? So when you get that headache, there are so many paracetamols you can buy. Most likely that I will choose a Panadol probably 8 times out of 10. I don't know about you, but most people will choose a Panadol because they've built not only the brand awareness, but the brand recall. And that's what these guys are doing. Home dining redefined. As you can see, the ads have been changed for the pandemic. Again, news.com. Different sizes of ads, as you can see, so that the placement works. Again, another different site, 7 News, different size of ad, but all the branding is very professional, same messaging. Look at this. Sydney Morning Herald at the top of the masthead. This is during the US votes. Everybody is reading the newspaper. What do their customers see? Bespoke advertising, brand awareness, brand recall, brand awareness, brand recall. That's marketing. This is a marketing system. And are they doing anything? Nothing. It's all created for them. It's an automated, intelligent, functional system to drive traffic, to convert that traffic, and to bring people back if they haven't converted.